Hey everyone, and welcome. Today I'm making a homemade version of Taco Bell's famous Crunchwrap Supreme from Devon Grimsrud. It has everything: seasoned taco beef, creamy nacho cheese, a crunchy tostada shell, and fresh toppings, all sealed inside a tortilla and cooked until golden brown. Let's see if making it at home really is better than hitting the drive-thru. Okay, so this Crunchwrap Supreme was surprisingly easy to make. From start to finish, everything went smoothly, and the end result turned out beautifully. There is one important thing to note. Be sure to use 12-inch tortillas if possible, because it makes wrapping them so much easier. The only brand that I could find locally that size was Old El Paso. You can use 10-inch ones if that's all you can find, but it will be more difficult to wrap them properly. Now on to the taste test. You can see how good it looked, and once I took a bite, it was incredible. It's been several years since I've had a Crunchwrap Supreme from Taco Bell, but that first bite instantly took me back, except this was so much better. Honestly, I'd call it a million times better. I had to take another bite, it was so delicious. It had the perfect mix of seasoned taco beef, crisp lettuce, juicy tomatoes, and creamy queso. All the flavors blended together in the best way possible. This homemade version completely blows Taco Bell out of the water, no contest. If you don't mind a little effort, these are 100% worth making. It's one of those recipes you'll want to come back to again and again because it just hits that fast food craving. Overall, this is a million-star recipe. Once you try it fresh from your own kitchen, you'll never look at the drive-thru the same way again. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, leave me something down in the comments below, and subscribe if you haven't already. And as always, thanks for watching.